PFI has the capacity, bench strength, and know-how to design, manufacture, install, and support your large sanitary conveyance and material handling projects. Our focus is on sanitary design, using all stainless steel with no mild steel cross-contamination, and with as much accessibility and as little moving parts as possible. Watch our tour of our Algona, Iowa campus to see how it's done. We manufacture individual conveyors, large systems, and many of their components in-house, reducing lead time and cost. Our capacity means we can handle more projects at once. We use reliable TIG and MIG welding on our food-grade stainless steel components to produce the most reliable and highest quality welds. We now manufacture components for our equipment and other OEMs. Our sanitary one-piece drive pulleys improve food safety and reliability of your belt conveyors. Our 4-inch bore double-acting stainless steel hydraulic cylinders power your dumpers and augers. Thanks to in-house manufacturing, our price and lead times for both parts can't be beat. Equipment comes together in the separate assembly facility, from dumpers to individual belt, vibratory, and incline conveyors, and fully integrated production lines. Our large air-conditioned facility can handle your demos and FATs, including equipment from other suppliers, so you can be confident your system will work as it's supposed to before it ships. Our Algona, Iowa campus is only part of our footprint. Our San Antonio facility is focused on vibratory conveyors and bucket elevators, and our sister brands add another 200,000 square feet of manufacturing space in the U.S. Together, we're committed to providing best-in-class solutions and enduring commitment to support food processors.